The biggest mistakes that we see buyers making in 2026. I hear this almost every week. We're just going to wait. Maybe the rates will come down. Maybe the prices will come down. Maybe there'll be a better house and more inventory just around the corner. Maybe. And maybe that's the biggest mistake. Because while you're waiting, life keeps moving. Hi, my name is Mark Hewitson. I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland, and we have the DMV and Maryland covered. If you've seen a house that you truly love but you want to wait, there's a good chance that somebody else is going to jump in and buy that home that you loved. And then your rent's going to keep increasing, and because of that delay, you've delayed building equity on your home. You're building an equity for your landlord. You postpone creating the life that you've been planning. Can waiting make sense? Now, absolutely, sometimes it does. But here's a better question. Are you waiting because you have a strategy or because you're hoping uncertainty is going to disappear? Because here's the honest truth. No one, no realtor, not an economist, not AI, and not the media, no one can tell you exactly when the perfect time will be to purchase a house. So the buyers who succeed usually aren't the ones who are waiting with perfect timing. They're the ones who are prepared and ready to jump on the perfect house when they see it. That's why I wrote this month's blog. It's called The Buyer's Confidence Gap, and it explains how to replace fear with confidence. And you can read it for free at www.mdreprosblog.com. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate debt. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust. If you haven't had a chance yet, take a closer look at 13594 Skyview Terrace right here in Mount Airy. It's a huge property, a little over 2 acres, beautiful, well-maintained home at the end of a cul-de-sac with a large deck, perfect for somebody that's looking for some privacy and some seclusion and quiet. And if you're a business owner in Hague, don't forget to take a look at 21680 Leadersburg Pike. It's a perfect property if you own your own business. It's got 5 garage spaces if you're a mechanic and looking for a place to work on cars. It's got a shop and a separate entrance connected to the house. So if you're a hairdresser, cosmetic person, travel agency, lawyer, any kind of business where you have people coming in and out, that's a perfect place where you don't have to pay rent. And we got plenty of parking as well. 21680 LeadersburgPike.com. Take a look at it. And if you're interested, let me know. Have a wonderful week. Hard to believe we're getting into August already. I look forward to talking to you soon. If you're thinking about selling your house this fall, contact me right away and we'll get you a free comparative market analysis and give you a solid idea of what your home can sell for. And be sure and check out the Maryland Real Estate Professional Difference. We'll give you free drone footage, free drone pics, free custom URL, a free website, and much more than other agents are doing. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a wonderful week. Take care.